the second car. You might see Troy do a 7 route passenger car. And also Troy for a 7 route passenger car. There's the red car. The red car. Troy for a 7 route passenger car. Wow. That was cool. Well, anyway. Great train, there it goes, north to... Alright, YouTube, here goes the northbound coaster train from the yard. It's 6:57, looks like there. See right there? Here it comes. And it's 3,001 on the point, I guess. Oh well, here it comes. Here's my boss favorite. It's 3,001. Yep, here it is. And here it is coming to the station. Alright. Well, running over here. Anyway, here comes the southbound coaster to San Diego. And if you notice right here, here's 6:57, the train we're going to head back on. But first, we're going to see this southbound coaster come in. Troy Green 5, the same we saw last time at 6:51. See, that's a fast bell. Actually, that's a fast bell. There's no captor, 4301. And the engine of this train is 2103. We just saw 2 coaster meets in the school. Right. Well, there goes that train behind 6:57. Alright, you two. Here goes this northbound coaster out of Encinitas Station. And FWP 3001 to read that. Passenger car. And 2309. Right. There goes that train north to our side.